Can you make money on TikTok? Well, the short answer is yes. And the way that you would do it is just by... Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use TikTok to make money online or just grow your existing business. Now, most people think that TikTok is just for little kids who are doing silly dances. But since everybody is basically locked down right now, there's been a lot of people who are consuming a lot more social media. And TikTok is the fastest growing platform right now. If you go on TikTok, you're not just going to see little kids, you're going to see older people, people who are middle-aged, and they're not just doing dances. Some of them are doing lip singing challenges, some of them are doing dances, but there's a lot of people who are just doing magic tricks, showing you different methods when it comes to making money online. And right now, since TikTok is relatively new compared to YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, it's a lot easier to get views and grow your following real quickly. So anybody can make money right now on TikTok, whether you have no followers at all or you have thousands of followers. And in this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can do it, which is through affiliate marketing. So let me just switch over to my computer to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so this is the website called Clickbank. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard of this, and if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, I've gone into more detail on a previous video that I've done in a series, and I'll leave that in the cards if you guys want to check out that video. But basically, Clickbank is a website where you can promote products as an affiliate. So this is what it's going to look like when you come to this website. In order to start promoting products as an affiliate, you're going to sign up, and then you're just going to simply enter your information. You're going to create an account, and once you do that, you're going to be able to promote products as an affiliate. So let me just show you what it looks like when you create an account and you sign in. So this is what it looks like. You're going to be, this is what the marketplace looks like actually. So it has different categories that you can look at if you want to promote any type of product. More than likely, you're going to find a great product that you can promote as an affiliate for any type of niche. So I'm just looking at this specific niche right here. This is going to be like brain training for dogs. So I've just taken this product as an example. So this particular product right here earns $31.73. So that's what the product is selling for. So as an affiliate, you're going to earn 75% of that as a commission. So that adds up to be about like roughly 20 something dollars. And the gravity is 177. So that's pretty good. So the higher the gravity for a product, the more likely it is to sell. So just keep that in mind when you're picking a product to promote on Clickbank. So if I click on the link right here, it's going to redirect me to the sales page. And this is actually what the sales page looks like. So it has a dog right here, and it's basically telling you what the product is all about. And it tells you or explains how you can train your dog to listen, to stop bad behavior, how to stop them from barking, or just keep them from being aggressive. And if you scroll down, you're going to click on a button that should say instant access, and that's going to be the checkout page, I believe. So this is the actual sales page, and this is going to cost $47, and people are going to enter in their email address and they're going to enter in their information to buy this product. Now, you as an affiliate, all you have to do is just click on this button right here that says promote, and then all you have to do is just click on this button that says generate hop link, and this code right here is going to be your affiliate link. So what you can do with this is you're going to paste this anywhere that you want to promote your affiliate product. Now, I've covered this in the past. Don't just go and promote your affiliate link anywhere on the internet, because that's not really a winning strategy to make money with affiliate marketing. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to deliver value and give people a call to action. So this is where TikTok actually comes in. So let me just show you my account on TikTok. Okay, so here I am on TikTok, and this is just the training page and the discover page if you want to look at new different content. It's going to just recommend you different creators or what have you. So on the desktop version, there's a lot of limitations what you can do as opposed to when you're creating content and uploading it from your phone. So let me just click on my profile right here and just show you guys what type of content that I have. So I basically have content that's related to making money online. So what I do is I actually put affiliate links in my videos. And just to let you guys know, in order for you to get a link that's going to be clickable for your account, like the link in your bio, you need to have at least 1,000 followers. But all you have to do, if you don't have 1,000 followers yet, you can just simply put a link in your videos. So let me try to find a video where I have an affiliate link inside of the video. So as you can see, I just uploaded this one, I believe a couple days ago. And basically, I just showing my commissions that I've made. And I actually have an affiliate link right here. So this bit.ly right here is going to be an affiliate link that's going to take people to a landing page where they can enter in their email, and after that it's going to take them to a sales page. Now, if you're wondering how you can get a shorter link, it's pretty simple. So this affiliate link right here is pretty long, and that's a little bit too long to be posting in a TikTok video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually shorten that if I want to put that in a video. So it's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is just go to a website called bit.ly.com. So basically this is a link shortening service. So all you have to do is just paste in the long link that you have right here. So I just pasted in this long affiliate link from Clickbank. All I have to do is just click on shorten, and it's going to give me a new link. So I can actually, this is a lot more shorter, so I can post this in my TikTok video. But if you want to get a custom link, because I know this is a little bit confusing, like bit.ly/2WTOOYZ, I mean, that can be a little bit confusing. You can actually create a free account with Bitly, and you can customize this little backlink right here. So if whatever you want to customize it to is available, then you can do it. So that's basically how you can make money by promoting affiliate products using TikTok. But another thing that I want to show you is just to compare the difference between TikTok and YouTube. Because since TikTok is relatively new, it's easy to get a lot of views, a lot of likes and shares, as opposed to YouTube, where it can take a lot of time to start building an audience and start building traction where your videos are going to get a lot of views. So let me actually go to the analytics of my TikTok account right here. Now, as you can see, over the last 7 days, I have 2,950 views. Now, I never get that amount of views on my YouTube channel. Let me just show you my analytics for my YouTube channel. So if I look right here, last 7 days, it's going to show me how many views that I've gotten. I got 290 views over the last 7 days, which is nowhere near compared to TikTok. Now let me go back over to TikTok to show you how many views I've gotten since I created my account. So I created my TikTok account about 3 weeks ago as of the recording of this video. So I started it on April 20th and I have 11,000 views. So if I compare that to YouTube, since April 20th until now, I have 913 views. Now that's a big difference between TikTok and YouTube. And since April 20th, I've gained 11 subscribers. So on TikTok, since I created my account, I have 80 followers. So as you can see, the rate of growth when it comes to TikTok is a lot faster as opposed to YouTube. Now, views don't really mean a whole lot on TikTok because I'm more concerned about generating leads and getting sales. But the good thing about TikTok is that you can actually leverage your followers and send them over to your YouTube channel as well. So you can actually grow your YouTube channel just by telling people to go and check out your YouTube channel. So I just want to stress the importance of how powerful TikTok is, because right now it's still relatively new compared to YouTube, compared to Facebook and Instagram. Now I believe later on down the line, maybe a year or two from now, people are going to be on TikTok more and more, and it's going to be harder to get attention, get views, and get followers. So I highly recommend, if you're trying to grow your business, to create a TikTok account and just take advantage of this opportunity. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention before I forget is if you guys are thinking about getting started with TikTok, or if you already did and you have a couple of followers, a couple hundred, maybe even 1,000 followers, and you want to learn how to get 15-second free leads for your online business and grow an audience on TikTok, then I highly recommend checking out this new product called 15-second free leads. And let me just show you real quick what this product is all about. So basically, you're going to get training from 4 people who are consistently uploading videos on TikTok and they have a large following already. You're going to learn how to create endless 15-second video topics. You're going to learn how to create the TikTok profile. You're going to learn how to get TikTok to share your videos, and you're going to learn how to post exactly what your audience wants. And you're going to get all of this training for $1. Now, if that isn't value, then honestly, I don't know what is, because this is basically fast tracking your way to success when it comes to growing a following on TikTok. But that's basically all I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys are interested in getting access to this 15-second free lead product, I'm going to leave that link in the top of the description of this video. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys got some value from it. And if you want to see more videos like this, then I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.